everyone, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner. How are you all doing? I hope you're all feeling blessed and all is well with you. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. It meant so much to me. And so today we'll be doing some Escovitch fish, and so I want to take you along with me in the kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please turn the post notification bell on so you will know anytime I upload new videos. Anyways guys, with all that has been said, let's go fry some fish the Jamaican way. Yeah man. So guys, before we start frying our fish, we want to make sure that all the unnecessary parts on the fish is removed. And so right here I'm using my kitchen shear to remove like the excess unnecessary parts. As you can see, the gill and the inner belly parts already has been removed, and so I'm just doing extra cleaning here. And I'll also be doing some scaling as well, because there are fine scales that I can see on the fish. Some people like to eat or to chew on the tail, but I like to remove it. And as you can see as well, I'm removing the fins because I like to have my fishes clean. So as you can see, I'm using my knife just to remove the extra scale. And guys, I will continue to do this until the rest of the fish is all done. So you can just stay tuned guys. So guys, now that I finish, cleaning up my fish, I clean up the fish. What I'm gonna do right now is wash with lime. So I have 2 limes here. And so I'm gonna squeeze the lime juice onto the fish to get all that raw smell of the fish and to give a nice clean wash. Juicy lime, look at that, all the juice popping out of this beauty. Yeah. Trying to get all the juice out, and then I'm just gonna use some fresh water and just use the lime just to clean in between the fish like that in the belly. You don't want to be eating your fish and it tastes so raw. You're gonna make sure you get that proper wash. Just like that. So guys, I'm gonna be seasoning this afterwards only with salt. So I will not be using no powder season, only salt and other natural seasoning like garlic and fresh pepper. That's a hot pepper, and that's how it's gonna be, guys. Right? Just like that. I really don't want all the water to drain from the fish as I rinse, because I'm gonna need that in the seasoning process, because the water will help in the melting process of the salt so that the fish can get a nice moist soaked. And now I'm done with washing these. I'm now gonna put some slices in their sides, and you can watch, guys. So I'm gonna use my knife just to go like this, because you want your fish to be well marinated with the salt. As I said, I won't be using, so I'm just gonna put it onto my cutting board. So I won't be using no powder seasoning, only salt. So guys, as you can see, the fishes are onto the cutting board, and so I'm gonna be seasoning with salt. That's just plain salt. Just like that. So I'm just sprinkling. Not too much, because you don't want your fish to be salty. And as I season with the salt, I'm just gonna transfer back to my container, just like that. And I continue to do the rest just the same way. You want to get the salt in between so that it can nicely soak properly, because you want a well marinated fish. And then I put it in the container just like that. I go ahead and continue to do the rest just the same way. Guys, how do you like your fish? Do you like it steamed or fried? Please leave a comment in the comment section of how do you like your fish. Steamed, baked, fried. I would really like to know. guys, I went ahead and I chopped some garlic and hot pepper, as you can see, and so I'm gonna transfer that to the fish as well, just like that. And so I'm gonna leave right here this beautiful pan of babies to let it marinate for 1 hour. So guys, as you can see in this pot, I have some oil that I already poured out, and so right now I'm just gonna turn the stove on and I'm gonna put that on high. I want to get the oil as hot as I can. I'm gonna remove the garlic from the fish, and I'm gonna put it in the oil because we want the oil to be flavorful. So I'm just using my hand just to put the garlic and also the pepper. You want your fish to taste nice with a nice little pepper taste, not burning hot, but you know, a nice little pepper taste. So guys, as you see, the oil began to get hot, and on this side here I have a pan lined with paper towel. That's where I'll be removing the fish that is fried to this pan. So guys, you'll see everything. So you can see the oil is there getting hot, and I'm waiting for all of that to turn brown to remove from the pot, and then these nice babies can go in there for a nice swim, right guys? So guys, as you can see, the garlic and the pepper is getting brown, or should I say it's brown. So I'm removing them from this oil, and so I'm turning down my flame as well to a medium, because you don't want the fish to burn. So you have to make sure your flame is down a bit from what it was before. As I said, mine was on high. So here I'm removing all the garlic and pepper. So I remove most of the garlic and pepper from the pot. So now, as you can see on this side, I put some fish here. See guys, so I'm using the paper towel to pat dry my fish. So I'm pat drying the fish because you don't want to put the fish in the pot and then, you know, water from the fish, you know, have the oil splattering all over the place. So you have to pat dry your fish. You want your fish to come out really nicely fry and dry. So you make sure all of that, you know, and then I'm gonna lower the fish into the pot just like that. You guys, just like that. And then I'm gonna remove, ooh, see that? So guys, I'm gonna put head to tail, just like that. So you have to be very careful because you don't want to get burned. So right now my flame, my My flame is on a medium. And so I put that one just like that. Just gonna fix that. I don't want it to ooh. Just like that. So as you can see, guys, there's a nice enough space there for, you know, everybody. And so I'm just gonna let that fry until that side is brown. Then I will turn the fish to the other side. So guys, now that you know the fish is now cooked on both sides, I'm gonna remove the fish from the pot, and I'm just gonna lower it down in this pan that I have here with a paper towel, just like that, so that the excess oil can be drained off. Just like that, guys. And so I'm gonna lower my flames. Then I will repeat the same process which I did before. So guys, what I'm doing right here right now, as you can see, pot drying. Then I lower this baby down into the oil. Just like that, guys. Pot dry, make sure the fish is really dry. Then I lower down into the oil just like that. That's the oil, baby. You cannot be in the kitchen, baby. It's dangerous. And then the final one is in the pot, just like that. So guys, as you can see, now I'm about to turn the fish onto the other side. What I did, let me show you guys. I use my 2-teeth fork and I lift, and then I lift my fish and I turn onto the other side just like that. So guys, as we can plainly see, the fish is finished frying. So the next time you see me, I will be presenting. Please stay tuned.
Voila! Here it is, Escovitch fish, Jamaican style, served with festival, garnished with escallion, and you can see how beautiful The texture of those festival looked so delicious. And so guys, just enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. And so guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please drop a comment in the section below. Also guys, you can look out for the next video where you'll be watching my husband do a Jamaican potato pudding. Guys, you're gonna love this one. Stay tuned for that. I don't know guys, but I just can't take my eyes off these beautiful festivals. Guys, if you want to see a video of me doing the festival, please leave a comment in the section below. And so guys, if you want to see me do this beautiful vegetable arrangement with vinegar, please leave a comment. Also, I will be revealing the name of what it's called in that video. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And so I will see you in my next video. Love you, bye.